Hi there, students. To do away with something, to get rid of it, to renew it, to get rid of the old and bring in the new, to abolish. Why don't we do away with those old chairs and get some new ones? Those old ones are falling apart. We really have to do away with them. Um, the UK did away with military conscription for citizen military service sometime in, I think, the late 1950s. Somebody might correct me there. Okay, notice as well, this is an inseparable phrasal verb. Do away with it. The object has always got to go at the end. Um, so, why don't we do away with the old system and introduce a new system? They're doing away with part of the workforce. Unfortunately, this is what they call restructuring. So yeah, to do away with, to get rid of something. They're doing away with those old buildings, and they're going to build a skyscraper. I think they really ought to renovate the old buildings. But this is the idea of to do away with, to get rid of the old, to destroy it, break it, chuck it away, bin it, and perhaps get a new one. All of that plastic in the corner, we've got to do away with it. Yeah, we've got to pick it up and throw it away. That's the idea of do away with.